Three massive luxury jets are about to perform the most breathtaking coordinated flyover ever witnessed above a golden desert airport. Buckle up. Inside the cockpit of the lead aircraft, the captain sits tall, eyes focused, hands steady on the controls as brilliant golden sunlight floods through the enormous windshield. His co-pilot checks instruments with calm precision, both men radiating quiet confidence as the massive aircraft hums powerfully through the warm desert air above. Through the cockpit windows, a breathtaking pilot's perspective unfolds. A vast golden desert stretching endlessly below, highways threading through sand toward a glittering modern city skyline. Far below, the futuristic airport complex gleams under the desert sun, its runways perfectly aligned, terminals sparkling, surrounded by an ocean of warm golden sand. Then suddenly, the formation reveals itself. Three magnificent aircraft flying together in a perfect triangular arrangement, a sight that stops every heart on the ground. Leading the formation is an enormous four-engine superjumbo, its massive pearl-white fuselage gleaming with elegant dark blue and gold accents, engines roaring with incredible power. Behind it, two sleek twin-engine wide-body jets hold their positions perfectly, slightly elevated, their polished surfaces catching every ray of the brilliant desert sunlight beautifully. A rear tracking camera follows all three giants as they thunder toward the runway threshold, engines blazing, wings flexing gracefully under the enormous weight of each aircraft. From the ground, telephoto lenses capture the three approaching giants filling the sky, their combined roar shaking the earth as they draw closer together. The superjumbo dominates the frame completely, its four massive engines thundering, while the two elegant wide bodies trail behind like loyal wingmen in perfect disciplined formation. Now the formation drops incredibly low, skimming just above the runway threshold in a breathtaking flyover, landing lights blazing, engines screaming with raw, magnificent power. The ground shakes beneath the thundering formation as all three aircraft blast past the airport, their polished fuselages reflecting golden sunlight in dazzling streaks of light. Spectators on the ground stand frozen in awe, watching the three magnificent machines carve through the warm desert air with effortless grace and thunderous authority. The formation banks gently together, wings tilting in perfect unison, each aircraft responding flawlessly as the pilots execute their choreographed maneuver with breathtaking professional precision. Climbing now, the three giants ascend together into the deepening sky, their engines singing powerfully as the desert airport shrinks beautifully far below them. The sky transforms into a breathtaking canvas of deep blue and burning gold as the formation rises higher, silhouetted magnificently against the spectacular desert sunset above. In one final epic wide shot, the three magnificent aircraft soar together into the golden sunset sky, a timeless symbol of human achievement, beauty, and the freedom of flight.